Hello guys, today we are going to see about how to restore a frozen start menu or taskbar in Windows 11. Let's do it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, right click and run as administrator. Click yes and go to my video's description and copy the first command. Copy it and tap this bar and right click, eject and paste it. Press enter. This process will take some time. Be in verification phase of system scan. Verification 1% is done, and I'm go for the second process. After finishing this 100%, go to go and copy another text, another command. Copy it. After copying second command, tap that bar and eject, paste it, press enter. This process will take some time. After finishing this process, go and restart your PC. That's it guys for this frozen start menu or taskbar problem in Windows 11. Give me a thumbs up. I will happy a lot. After finishing 100%, go and restart. Okay, thank you guys.